Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are visiting India's best Kankrej cattle farm and LRS livestock research station SK Nagar, both run by Kamdenu University. Let's go guys. I will tell you some intriguing information about this station and the relevance of this center. This is a primary campus of LRS. LRS is located in SK Nagar, Gujarat and is affiliated with the College of Veterinary Science, Dantivada and Kamdenu University, Gujarat. This farm was created in 1978. Gujarat has some cow breeds including Dangdi, Sahiwal, Gir and Kankrej. The farm is well equipped and developed. The motto of this LRS center is to promote breeding methods and conservation of indigenous breed. This is fantastic and we are all proud of this type of research institutions. There are 608 animals on this farm that we can see. The most important and interesting aspect is that Kankrej is a dual purpose breed, but doctor has improved cow genetics to produce 35 liters of milk each day, which is astonishing. This farm has all the necessary animal amenities. The feed storage water tank is well organized. There are also buffaloes on the farm. The goal of this farm is to develop genetic and breeding system of indigenous breeds. There are separate milk machines for milking cattle. Here is the separate shelf for it. I am sharing everything with you. There is a separate laboratory for semen collection and processing. This is a bull station with all breed bulls of cattle and buffaloes. Well, that's a wrap of for today's visit to the livestock research station at SK Nagar. I have to say I am honestly blown away by the level of research and innovation happening here. From breeding and animal health to sustainable farming practices, it's clear that the future of agriculture and the breeding of indigenous cattle. This is entirely about LRS farm. I hope you guys enjoy this tour and learn something new today, because I definitely did. If you are interested in animal science farming or just curious about how research is changing the way we approach livestock, make sure to leave a like and share for more videos like this. I will back with more exciting content, so stay tuned.